Welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. We have another good recipe for you today. Sausage biscuit gravy. Can't wait to get started. If you don't mind, pause the video right now, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell and come right on back. Let me show you what's in the ingredients. It's really, really simple. We're gonna use some Jimmy Dean sage sausage. Love Jimmy Dean sausage. We're gonna have some milk, pepper, flour, and I have a little oil sitting right here just in case I need it. But that's basically all we have. That's what we have right here. And you're gonna need something to chop up the sausage with. You're gonna need a nice pretty whisk, need a spoon, and hey, I have my skillet preheated, so let's get it going. First thing I'm gonna do is cut this baby right smack in half. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because I'm only using a half today. First thing is, let's get this sausage in the skillet. My skillet was preheated. Okay, this is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes because we're gonna brown that sausage. We need to keep chopping it up. That's why I have this little tool right here. Like this, we'll keep chopping it up. And when it's all brown, hey, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, you see the sausage is browned up nicely. That's what we want. So we'll turn the fire off and we're just gonna come over here and take the sausage out. Alrighty. Because now we have to make a roux. It's really, really, really simple. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is take a little oil, turn my fire back on, and we need about maybe 2 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna guess at it, okay? 1, 2. And we're gonna throw in the flour. Remember, I'll have all the ingredients in the description if I don't tell you exactly what it is right now. So let's get our black pepper in there too. We're gonna whisk it all together. If it's not whisking in very well, like this one is not, I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to it. See? Now that's what it's supposed to look like. Now, we have to wait till it browns up a little bit because that's what a roux is supposed to look like. Hey, look, you guys can brown it up whatever color you like. You know, we personally like a kind of a peanut butter color, kind of like it is right now. So, oh, the next thing is to go ahead and add our milk a little bit at a time. Okay. And watch what happens. I'm gonna make that gravy. That's what we're gonna do. Making that gravy. Okay. Just a little bit at a time and gives you a chance to whisk it in, work those lumpies out. It's not gonna be lumpy at all though. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So here we go. Rest of the milk. Stir that in. We're making a good gravy here. See how pretty it is. Oh yeah, it's a little loose right now, but it won't be because we're going to turn that fire up and it's going to thicken, I promise you. Okay. All right, it's thickening up nicely. And now we're gonna return our sausage right in there. Yes. Turn the fire off. I don't need any more heat. Oh man, look how beautiful that is, huh? Yeah. Oh, that's good. And you'll notice I didn't add any salt. Hey, that's all to taste. So let's taste it. Let's taste it and see how it's gonna taste. That is very good. I like that flavor of that sausage. But let me try it one more time. Okay. That is very good. I love it. Got a little heat. See, that sausage has a great flavor. So we're done. So what do we have to do? Take it right out over here and put it on some biscuits. That's what we need to do. So let me go ahead and get everything set up and get them biscuits out. Look how beautiful that is. I cannot wait to cut one of these babies. Oh man, does that look good? Oh, smoking hot. The best sausage biscuit gravy ever in the world. This stuff is that good. I really think this is the best sausage biscuit gravy in the whole world. Holy mackerel. The biscuits were absolutely delicious, and so was the biscuit gravy. I mean, the biscuits were the best. The best I've ever had, I can tell you. I can't put it down. I promise you, this is the best sausage biscuit gravy in the world. You need to try it. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. I hope you enjoy our recipe. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because we want you to subscribe. If you are a subscriber, we love you. So thank you again for tuning in. Until we do another fantastic recipe, as I always say, God bless you.